I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your profile details on Chime is straightforward. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Tap on the profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In the Profile Settings menu, look for the option labeled Edit Profile. This is where you can change your personal information. Step 4. Update your details. Enter the new information you want to update, such as your name, email address, or phone number. Be sure to double-check for typos before saving. Step 5. Confirm changes. After saving, you may receive a confirmation message indicating that your profile has been updated successfully. If you don't see this, check your internet connection and try again. Updating your profile on Chime is quick and easy. If you run into any issues, just give it another try or check your settings. Happy banking!